Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. An important aspect of a language are the greetings. By greetings, you may begin as you meet someone and finish a conversation with a person after one or both of you leave to different directions. Considering that, we are going to see today some greetings in Portuguese, beginning with Oi. Oi. Oi means hi. It is informal and used when one person meets another. The formal way of it would be Olá. Olá, which corresponds to hello in English. To ask how someone is or how a person is feeling, you may say in Portuguese, Tudo bem? Tudo bem? To answer it positively, that's enough to take off the question mark of that sentence and say, Tudo bem? Tudo bem? To say bye in Portuguese, it is common to say tchau, tchau, or até logo, até logo, which mean bye and see you soon respectively. If you are supposed not to see someone for a long time, you may say adeus, adeus, which means farewell in English. So, are you ready to practice it? We hope so. Ciao!
If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.